For the solution of the Europa, is so more important for this time for joint the partnership into the Europa, and Parliament Europa is must perform and purchase perform for create the new partnership in European citizen, and the old ground of Europa is another material, and the ground with fire you can make the alliage, and the alliance for another material create the new material. I propose for the department of the Europa just making the partnership the same of truck, giving the partner the material of the another material, because you don't have the same material in Europa. If you create the free partnership in Europe, you can grow up Europe, because you give in what you take, and you take what you give when you give in. It's so more simply because every country in the whole part in Europe don't lose the service of or the job. You can create the new job because you extract the ground for making the new material, and you can making that for ecologic of the long time. It's so more important for create the new partnership, because this partnership create the new job create the croissance and the grow up of the partnership and allied, and with this you grow the capacity in Europa for autonomous and a free market for growing the market. It's so more important for joint the partnerships. With this technology, you have the central of gas, the central of water, the central of energy, and you can, with the water, can make the food culture and prosperity in the food country in Europe. With energy, you solve the best solution for energy with hydraulic and another hydroelectric, and making on the circle close system for block the water on turbine and another alternator and dynamo. You create the bar in the circle close for making the long sustainable energy power products. This central electric is so more ecologic, because you don't lose your power. You can create what you need on your power, and you can have different material with the energy create with the ground of the gas, and for the different fire for new material of fusion of ground, or fusion water for create the vapor and create the another power of energy. The power of hydroelectric is just a solution for the whole part in the world, because you create the water for drink, you create the electricity, and you can create the gas. And different gas are liquid or vapor or another, with different temperature and different compression bar on gas for separate different gas on you. And if you're making extract the what you give at the toilet, you can create the gas, biogas, and you can create another solution for farm, because you create the bacteria filter the whole part in the shit. Sorry for I don't have the best word for that, say that, but you can create the methane and another gas. And if you make sugar on another fruit in this same place, you create another gas. Donc you can create the food gas, different gas, with sugar and fruit decomposition, because the sugar accelerates the gas and alcohol, and the fruit and sugar create the alcohol, donc the another gas or carburant, liquid carburant for your car or truck. And with the car or truck for hydroelectric, when the system closes, you can perform the new car with zero emission of CO2 if you have the filter of CO2. And if you're making the explosion thermic of gas for making the new bar in the onion circle close, system close, you create the bar, you create the more power of pression into hydroelectric function. You can create the more electric, and you can more the best grow power on bar into your motor. It's a green motor, and you can make the clean water energy transport green energy. Thanks a lot. Thanks for the new time. Thanks for the present. Thanks.